Hi, my name's Dorothy.
Hi, my name's Greg.
Welcome to our home in Szczekociny in the Silesian Voivodeship. The design of this house is an individual project, a single-story house with an area of over 160 square meters plus a garage. The decision to build a house was probably a natural choice for us at this stage of our lives. We had plots of land, and we lived in a house that was 3 stories high. We also worked in this building, so we decided it was time to separate work and home.
We wanted to create a new, personal place for us and our children. I learned about the technology by browsing websites and looking for the latest, innovative methods of building houses that could be found online.
This also coincided with the company's promotion on social media. I came across an interview or article by Philip Heiser, so we decided to check it out at the source. We went to the factory in Radomsko. There, we were given a very nice tour of a reference building that stands on the site. We familiarized ourselves with all the details. The gentleman who showed us around at that time answered all our questions, so we had a package of information basically ready to make the final decision regarding the technology.
Additionally, we went to the nearest construction site to us, which is in the Cozy Glory area. That essentially convinced us to continue working with you. When we decided to take this step, there were several aspects that were important to us. First and foremost, so that it could be built very quickly using the latest available technologies, and to be well insulated from the ground, from the outside, and from the ceiling. The natural material, the building material on the exterior side by the windows, seemed to us to be the 3A system. Given that it is a single-layer, seamless system with very good insulation parameters. I would say it's foolproof because it can't be installed any other way. And the trust that it won't need additional insulation. Adding even the smallest layer of insulation, whether it's styrofoam, wool, or anything else, means you have to find another crew. You have to invest more money into it, right? And that again takes a lot of time.
And it generates costs. It also generates costs because each of these stages, external insulation, internal wall plastering, machine plastering, then finishing and smoothing those walls. These are the costs. Often, these costs are not taken into account by the investor. We have often been asked frequently about how much the system that we offer costs. Sure, it is more expensive than a traditional block, but if we add up all these layers, if we add up all these stages, it turns out to be incomparably more advantageous both in terms of time and, I think, financially as well, when you don't have to look for additional crews and invest in the additional layers required by traditional technology. The process of laying the foundation was quite quick, and later, when the 3S system with its elements arrived, the construction grew before our eyes. In fact, the house's framework, was built in about 5 working days. From the foundation slab to essentially the ring beam.
Leveling the first layer, which is crucial in your system, took 2 to 3 days. After the mortar dried, it snowed and frosted, we were placing blocks. Within 5 days, all the exterior walls were built. Without using your system, we definitely wouldn't be living in this house yet. This is because the use of the system allowed us to very quickly finish the exterior walls, close the building, and start working inside. Additionally, we waited until winter to check the technical conditions. For us, it was great. Everything that was initially promised turned out to be true. We recommend this to everyone who wants to have walls, especially load-bearing and exterior walls, built in a quick, clear, and easy way. We highly recommend the system, truly.